time. I want to turn with the tides. My waiting so long is over. This is our time. This herb so natural. Arise, all your daughters and the sons of the sea. Obliterate this negativity and turn your life and your love into positivity. What we say, this your irate word. I wanted to see sunrise. I wanted to feel sunlight. I waited to be with the ocean waves again, again. Come back.